Cause ammunition come in mass production. We better stop the war before we lose control. And then we gonna do it all. Ignorant politician, stop the war. If someone had told me life is gonna be that way, manpower overruling, and all of us will have to pay. So you have to say I pray now. We all have to say I pray. From the day we were born, we did nothing wrong, but still it's been so long. We had love and unity, long live and prosperity. But the difficulties they put on us, manpower ruling us, ignorant politician, stop the war. Before we get used to it, we'll think about it. We better stop the war. Cause ammunition come